Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram loading problem? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix Instagram loading problem. So let's see how to fix this problem. First of all, check your internet connection and make sure your internet connection working properly. Now go to Play Store, tap on Play Store and tap on search bar, search Instagram apps. Search for Instagram apps updated in latest version. After completing update process, find Instagram apps and hold and long press Instagram apps. Tap on Instagram info, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, go back and tap on force stop, tap on OK, go back and home screen, and then normal restart your phone. Press and hold power button and then restart your phone. After restart your phone, your problem will be solved successful.